Here I have a PDF file and it has 3 different pages. The page 1, the page 2 and the page 3. I want to separate it into 3 different pages. So what I have to do, actually I will not use any online tool or any other extra software. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here is the PDF file with 3 pages. Let me click on right button. Let me click on open with. Here I want to open it in Google Chrome. In every computer we have the Google Chrome browser, so I can use the Google Chrome to separate the pages. So let me click on Google Chrome. Here you will see the PDF file, page 1, page 2 and the page 3. I just want to split the page 2. So what I have to do, here you will see, let me click on print, Microsoft Print to PDF. Let me click on save as PDF. Here you will see pages. Let me click on customized. Let me select the page 2. So this one, let me click on save. So I have to select the destination folder to save the PDF file. Let me click on download. Here let me write page 2. Let me click on save. Now if I go to that download folder, you will see here only page 2 has been separated. So if I want to separate any other page, let me again click on print. If I want to separate the page 1 and page 3, let me click on customize. Here 1, 3, 1 and 3. Let me click on save. Let me select the destination folder, download. Let me write here page 1 and 3. Let me click on save. So you will see page 1 and 3. Here you will see the page 1 and the page 3. So I can easily separate and split my PDF files into different pages. If you want to combine the different PDF pages into a PDF file, you can see this video. You will find it helpful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe.